So guys, once again you are most welcome in online classes. In this class guys, we shall discuss about the next type of voice, means the type of sentence will be interrogative sentence. So what shall be the structure for interrogative sentence? First of all, we use helping verb. After that, subject, then verb, then object and question mark. So guys, in previous class I told कि जिस प्रकार का वाक्य एक्टिव वॉइस का होता है, पैसिव वॉइस में भी उसका आंसर उसी टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस में देना होता है. यहाँ सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, so we shall find the active voice sentence into interrogative structure, so we shall answer it into interrogative structure. Got it? जैसा एक्टिव वॉइस का वाक्य वैसा पैसिव वॉइस का आंसर. Then at the place of subject will be objective into subjective form, then verb third form, then by plus subject into objective form. Let's take example. First example is there. Do you love your parents? Naturally everyone loves, but here just we are taking example. So what shall be the answer? What is the object? Your parents. So we shall take helping verb according to the object. So here do, it will be changed into IJMR. So your parents we count as plural. Are your parents then verbs third form, loved, then by plus subject here you, but in objective form. So in objective form it remains you, and put the question mark since it is interrogative. Don't forget, marks, sign marks also have the importance. Next example. Does she like your writing? Let's change. So what is the object? Your writing. It is similar. So do does will be changed into IJMR. So what shall we take? Is, then the object into subjective form, your writing. ये ध्यान रखना, केवल सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन ही चेंज होते हैं, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं करते. वी डोंट चेंज एनी टाइप ऑफ चेंज, वी डोंट मेक एनी टाइप ऑफ चेंज इनटू पजेसिव प्रोनाउन. देन वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म, लाइक्ड, then by plus object into objective form. Next example. Is she making a call? So what is the object? A call is object, so we shall take is, because it is also singular. Is a call, ing is there, use being, then verb third form, made by her. So guys, this is very important topic for 8th, 9th and 10th standard student as well as for competition also, because nowadays English has the greatest importance regarding any competition test or any academic test. Next example, have you taken your pen? गाइज डिस्क्रिप्टिव इतना इसलिए चल रहा था कि आप एक एक चीज़ इजीली समझ सके। लास्ट में आपको मिलेगी एक शॉर्टेस्ट क्लास जिसमें आपको 20 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट पैसिव वॉइस आ जाएंगे, लेकिन ये स्टूडेंट्स 8th 9th 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए, इसलिए आपको डीपली जाके बताया जा रहा है। सो व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट योर पेन? सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब शैल बी हैज योर पेन been taken by you. Next, has he watered the plants? So what is the object? The plants, plural is there, so we shall use have at the place of has because it is used for singular, this is used for plurals. Has the plants been watered by him? Next example, did she write a letter? So what is here? Did, we shall change it into was and were, depends on the object what we will use from was and were. So a letter is there, so we shall use was. Now object a letter. Now the third form of write, written, then by plus subject into objective form, her and question mark. Next, did he test sweets? So sweets is plural, we shall use were, then object sweets, then the third form of main verb tested by him and put question mark. Next example, were you watching a movie? So let's change, we shall use was because it is used for you, it is counted into plural, but our subject now will be a movie and that's singular, so we shall use was a movie. ing is there, use being watched by you. Next example, was he inviting his friends? So now it is plural subject, so we shall use were, his friends, ing is there, use being, invited, by him. Next example of past perfect tense, had you seen the Taj Mahal? गाइज आपको प्रत्येक टेंस के 1 और 2 एग्जाम्पल दिए जा रहे ताकि आप इजीली इनको समझ सकें. हैड द ताज महल verb's third form is there, so we shall use been seen by you. Last example, will you help me? Question mark. So here we have taken will because subject is you, but now our subject will be I. So we use shall for I. Shall I be helped by you? Next example, will he tell me the answer? Now double object is there, one is object this and second one is this, so we shall change with the both objects. First of all we shall take I as object. Shall I be told the answer by him? Now we shall take second object, so we shall take helping verb will. Will the answer be told to me by him? Next example, will he have broken the rules? So answer will be there. क्या उत्तर होगा? Will the rules have been broken by him? Okay guys, this is the type of interrogative sentence. I hope you would be understanding each and everything clearly, and I also hope you will follow my channel and like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.